Hello friend, this is your lecture. This is the lecture of accountancy. Question number 11 in chapter number 6, subsidiary books, is completed. Next 3 questions are not included in your syllabus because GST is excluded because of corona epidemic. Some part of portion is excluded. Okay. So onward, today we are going to start a new chapter, cash book and its type. Okay, cash book and its type. Any business or profession, 2 types of transaction are given: cash transaction and credit transaction. In cash transaction, cash are directly included because payment is immediately paid. But in credit transaction, cash is not immediately paid, it is paid in later future. So according to cash, there are total 2 transactions: cash transaction and credit transaction. In previous chapter, subsidiary book, we have seen that only credit transactions are recorded in subsidiary books. But in cash book, only कैश ट्रांजेक्शन आर रिकॉर्डेड. सब्सिडरी बुक में सिर्फ क्रेडिट ट्रांजेक्शन लिखा जाता था, लेकिन कैश बुक में ओनली कैश ट्रांजेक्शन लिखा जाएगा. मीनिंग ऑफ कैश बुक: अ सब्सिडरी बुक इज प्रिपेयर्ड टू कीप रिकॉर्ड ऑफ कैश ट्रांजेक्शन is called cash books. By this definition, we can clearly say that in cash book only cash transaction is recorded. Whether it is transaction of goods or assets. Transaction of assets plus goods. Both types of transaction are included in cash book. सब्सिडरी बुक जो हमने देखा, परचेस बुक, सेल्स बुक, परचेस रिटर्न बुक, सेल्स रिटर्न बुक. In these 4 books only transaction related to goods are recorded. But in cash book, both type of transaction, whether it is asset and whether it is goods, both type of transaction are recorded in cash book. Cash transaction are recorded in the cash book. Cash receipt and payment are recorded in the cash book. Receipt means when we receive the cash. Payment means when we paid the cash. Both type of transaction are recorded in cash book. At the end of the given period, cash balance can be known from cash book. Means suppose our period is calendar, January to December. In 31st December, what about balance in our hand? It is called बैलेंस, कैश बैलेंस. 31st दिसंबर को जो हमारे पास हाथ में बैलेंस है, दैट इज कॉल्ड कैश बैलेंस फॉर दैट पर्टिकुलर पीरियड. कैश बुक सर्व्स द पर्पस ऑफ जर्नल एंट्री एंड कैश अकाउंट बोथ. कैश बुक के जरिए हमें कैश अकाउंट और जर्नल एंट्री दोनों का ही पता चल जाता है. डेबिट साइड ऑफ कैश, इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग, डेबिट साइड ऑफ कैश इज नोन एज इनकम ऑफ रिसीप्ट एंड क्रेडिट साइड इज नोन एज पेमेंट. मीन्स कि कैश बुक का जो डेबिट साइड है, इट इज कॉल्ड इनकम एंड द क्रेडिट साइड इज कॉल्ड पेमेंट. डेबिट साइड मीन्स इनकम, पैसा आ रहा है, और क्रेडिट साइड मीन्स पेमेंट, पैसा जा रहा है. Types of cash book. According to necessity of any business or profession, cash book can be prepared. Following are 3 types. So there are 3 types of cash book. First, simple cash book. In simple cash book, only 1 column for cash. In simple cash book, only 1 column is included, and that is cash. 2 columnar cash book, it can be 3 type. और दूसरा क्या होता है, 2 column वाला cash book. In this type of cash book, 2 column cash and discount, cash and bank, bank and discount. According to necessity, we make these 2 columns for different situation. First one, cash and discount, 2 column. Next, cash and bank, 2 column. नेक्स्ट बैंक एंड डिस्काउंट। जो भी क्वेश्चन में दिया हो या जो भी हमारी बिजनेस की नेसेसिटी हो उसके अकॉर्डिंग हम ये कॉलम बनाते हैं। सिंपल कैश बुक ओनली 1 कॉलम फॉर कैश, 2 columnar cash book whether it is cash or discount or cash or bank and discount. 3 columnar cash book means in this type of cash book cash column is discount column and bank. 3 column, first one for cash, second one for discount and third one for cash. Means there are total 3 types of cash book: simple cash book, 2 columnar cash book and 3 columnar cash book. In simple cash book only 1 column for cash. In 2 columnar cash book according to situation whether it is bank or cash, bank or discount or cash or discount. And 3 columnar, all 3 columns are added: cash column, discount column and bank column. First we are going to start simple cash book. Only cash transaction means only cash जिसमें रोकड़ा हो are recorded in the simple cash book. Cash receipt and payments are recorded in the simple cash book. Receipt means debit side and payment means credit side. Cash account is a real account. Total 3 types of account: personal account, real account and total 3 types of account: personal account, real account and nominal account. In real account goods and assets are included. Cash is asset for business, so cash account is real account. Therefore when the cash come in the business, cash come, it is debited. Cash जब आता है debit, and when cash goes out it is credited. Cash comes means cash account debit, cash goes means cash account credit. Okay. Therefore debit side of cash book is shown as receipt and credit side of shown as payment side. Okay. When cash comes in business means debit the cash account, and when cash goes out from business credit the cash account. Okay. Debit side is called receipt and credit side is called payment. Cash payment is never more than cash receipt, therefore balance of cash account is debit. Okay. Format of simple cash book. Cash book, this is the performa format of simple cash book. Till here debit side, till here this is debit side, and from here credit side. This is debit till amount, and from debt to amount credit side. First column for debt. Next particular receipt. When we receive amount it is called receipt. Receipt number, ledger folio number and amount. This is the debit side. This 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 column belongs to debit side. These 5 columns belongs to debit side. Now start the credit side. Date, particular. In this particular only payments means cash, when cash goes out recorded in this column. Voucher number, ledger folio number and amount. These 5 columns belongs to credit side. Okay. This is receipt number and this is voucher number. Okay students, this is the performa of simple cash book. Simple cash book, only 1 column. This column belongs to cash and this column belongs to cash. Only 1 column, only 1 column. And these columns belongs to cash. So this is the simple cash book. Only cash column is included in this type of book. So this book is called simple cash book. Okay. In our next lecture, we will start the question of cash book. Today, I hope you will try and learn the performa or format of cash book. Okay, students.